Hello everybody. Welcome to the project of controlling a robotic arm with 3 potentiometers. So let's get started. There are going to be 4 parts of this video. In the first part, we'll understand our whole project. In the second part, we'll look at the connections. In the third part, we'll go through the code, and the fourth, we will test our whole project. So let's get started. I have used a gripper. You can use any type of gripper you want and attach it anyway with your robotic arm. But just see if it is not much heavier. Such as I have used an acrylic gripper. To make the load less, I have taken out one of these part from the gripper and I have attached it with some screws. In this gripper I have used a micro 9G servo. I have also used an MG995, MG996R. This is a 3DOF servo, which means it can move forward and back, up and down, and open the gripper and close it. I have used 3 10K potentiometers with a cap. These jumper wires are a bit messy, but you can see them easily in the connection diagram, which I will show in the next video. And there is our Arduino hiding behind the jumpers. And here's our external power supply. The capacitor. I have used a capacitor because I don't want the servos to jitter. The capacitor provides much energy at the start and then gets low, which means the servo needs a lot of power when it starts, which the capacitor will provide. I have also used a big breadboard. These are some potentiometers. We will use these potentiometers to control the angle of the servo. To control one servo, see the link in the description. And for a brief explanation of Arduino, there's one more link in the description. Thank you friends for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to AIVersity. In the next part, I will explain you the connections. Thank you friends for watching.